Hello guys, now I'm gonna show you how to remove the slider. The lower slider, 10 millimeter, one screw, okay, and lift it up. To lift it up, now I put the swing arm higher, just to show you. This is the old slider. It's completely fallen apart. You see, it fell apart. This is another slider which is not so old, but still it has a big groove here. This is our new slider. To avoid this aging of the rubber, we have plastic underneath, very hard plastic. It never ages. And the slider part that wears off is interchangeable. So you will change only the top, which is very cheap, only €8. With a screwdriver, you go into this groove and hit it and comes out, and then you slide in the new one, so you don't have to remove it again, just slide it from the front. Okay, this is the old cursor. As you can see, is worn off completely. You recover this spacer from the old and you insert in the new one. It is a little bit tight, so I'm gonna do it with a hammer. This is the new cursor. It goes here, okay, and you slide it in like this, and with a single screw you put it on. See? Okay, our upper slider is easy. You have to connect it here, okay, and then you just slide it in from here. You have two pin here that you insert into two holes on the swing arm. One is here and one is underneath here. Push this one in, and then you have two screws with a special washer, oval washer like this, and that's it. 1 and 2 below. Very easy, very simple.
Right.
Okay, this slider, unlikely the original, it can be open, so you can put it on without removing the swing arm, because the standard Honda slider is closed here, so you cannot put it on. You have to remove the swing arm, disconnect the shock absorber. It's a time-consuming job. Okay. Now we put the screw on the front, and that's it.